Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest reviews on everything you need to know before making your purchase. Today, we're diving into the world of insect repellents with a detailed look at Cutter All-Family Mosquito Wipes. Let's get started. The Cutter All-Family Mosquito Wipes are designed to keep pesky insects at bay, allowing you to enjoy the great outdoors without the annoyance of bites. Let's break down what makes these wipes stand out. First off, these wipes contain a 7.15% DEET formula, making them effective against mosquitoes carrying various viruses such as Zika, West Nile, dengue, and chikungunya. But what sets them apart is their versatility. Not only do they repel mosquitoes, but also ticks, gnats, biting flies, chiggers, and fleas. Application is a breeze with these wipes. Simply take one out of the resealable packet and apply it to exposed skin, avoiding contact with eyes and mouth. The wipes are soft and gentle on the skin, yet tough on bugs. Now, let's talk about user experience. Customers rave about the convenience of these wipes, especially for on-the-go use. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just spending time in the backyard, these wipes are a must-have companion. Now, some of you might be wondering about the safety of DEET-based products, especially for children. Rest assured, Cutter All-Family Mosquito Wipes meet the American Academy of Pediatrics guidelines for children ages 2 months and older. Plus, they're certified safe when used according to label directions. How do these wipes stack up against other insect repellents on the market? Well, they offer a unique combination of effectiveness and convenience. While DEET-based products are known for their long-lasting protection, these wipes provide a controlled application that's perfect for sensitive areas like the face, ears, and neck. And there you have it, folks. Cutter All-Family Mosquito Wipes are a game-changer when it comes to outdoor protection. With their easy-to-use format and reliable performance, they're a must-have for anyone venturing into mosquito territory. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy exploring!